Ooh, you're gonna love this.
Oh boy. Why are there so many clothes here? Oh my gosh.
No.
It's like too perfect. I have to shoot this. I'm going to shoot this. Holy crap. And I don't even have to open it.
It's already aired out and everything.
Yeah. Wow.
Look at all the lunches.
Dang. That is sick. Alright, yeah, I'm setting up. This shit's good. Too good.
Why the ice cream black though?
That's fucking disgusting. Oh god. Are you ready, guys? Wow. Oh, yo. This is the grossest thing I might have ever seen inside of it. Dude, the meat in there just melted. Look at that.
Wait, what are those things? I can smell them in the refrigerator. I don't want to look at it very well.
That pasta lasted pretty well, but that sugar sure didn't. Everything got in. Oh, spin it around. You can't even, it's rusted shut. All this food and, that is sick. I'm so glad I got this mask. Look at that. They had their what is that called?
Good call.
Oh my goodness. Look at that, there's milk and wine.
What do you mean?
Inside. And ketchup. And milk. Oh! You know, if I see a fridge, I open it, but this time I don't have a mask on. Okay, now I know what it smells like. I've never smelled an open fridge, guys. Just bad. Go take a deep whiff.
I know, I looked at it and it looked already disgusting.
Alright, let's see if we can find the upstairs. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is like a service area. They probably turned it into like a break room maybe.
Yeah.
That's really gross. And I don't even have to open it. It's already open for me.
Yeah, I know. I opened it like 30 seconds ago.
Yuck. All the mouse poo.
Got that leftover with that Chinese food.
Oof. Take a bite.
Not fast.
I guess this was the kitchen here. Oh, that's gross. Yup, there's still a bunch of stuff in the fridge. My favorite. Oh, there's even some bubbly.
Oh. Ooh, what do we got in here? Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh, no way. A little bit of supper for you. I have no idea what that is, but there's like an incredible amount of mold inside of that. Oh my gosh. That's my job to open the fridge. What are you doing?
Hey, I do this also.
It's my shtick. Oh.
Why is it like
Red.
blood color?
Bloody fridge.
Disgusting.
Oh yeah. Nice and clean. Oh, that's pretty cool. Royal Crown Cola. There's big soda bottles, old ones. Ah, that would have been a nice TV, but one of the vandals must have broke it out. Yeah, this is the kitchen. The fridge looks like someone threw it on the ground. Look at all those encyclopedias.
Look at that kid. He's having a great time.
It's his birthday, man. Oh, you know what has to happen now. If this is the state of the pantry, I'm very scared of this. But in Lord Explorer's fashion, we're opening it. Here we go. Ooh, a little bit of Pepsi. Maybe had a pizza night. Some Chobani. Oh, that shit smells so good. Oh! We let out the Kraken with that one. Oh! Rockstar. Unopened. Oh, that's minging. Alright. Oh, fuck, it stinks.
Are you opening the fridge without me?
I opened the fridge, not the freezer if you want to open that one. You better get over here quick. It smells like shit.
You want to get on the side?
She almost just threw up
I did.
opening the fridge. So we're gonna open the freezer now.
Okay, do it.
I'm gonna get your reaction of it.
Oh. It's a lot cleaner than
It smells just as bad.
I'm not breathing. I didn't breathe. I didn't smell any of it. I got away.
That smells horrible. Really bad.
But I bet if I walk past there, I'm definitely gonna gag.
Yeah, walk past and breathe in heavy. Nothing?
I twitch.
It's in your eye.
No. I don't think that smelled as bad as the fridge.
That's good.
The fridge was a lot worse.
What the heck is this? Oh, there's cheese in here. Oh, it smells. Dang, it's kind of gross. Doesn't even open. That's gotta be an expensive fridge. I think I found one of the oldest stove incurators I've ever seen. Not even kidding. Stove. And it even has an oven. So it's a stove incurator oven. Fantastic.
Got a basement. Here's the kitchen. Man, people did find this place. That sucks. Old oven. Wonder what's in the fridge, guys. Wanna check it out? Now I've had bad luck and good luck with fridges. Sometimes there's nothing in it, sometimes there's old ass food. Let's see. Nope. Well, we're good. They knew what they were doing. Clean it out. Look at the oven.
I would have loved to live here.
Wow.
I just found a freezer. Ew.
Do you smell that?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I smell that. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh fuck, yeah.
No, that's so bad.
That's disgusting.
No, was it in there?
Yeah, probably. They probably dumped the body in that.
Oh my god, that smelled so bad.
That's sick.
Oh my god.
Are you good?
Oh, we got overalls and stuff. That's kind of strange. Eggs.
Oh, it stinks.
Smells so bad.
Well, all this food has been sitting unrefrigerated for about 5 months.
That's probably a pee bottle, dude.
Dude, somebody was living in here after they closed, I bet. Might be someone in here.
Is there anyone in here? God damn it. This is the worst. What the f even is this?
Oh, it stinks. Like gas. This place is full of gas.
Natural gas?
Uh,
Yo, I don't think I can be in here. Yo, they got stuff in the closet too.
oh, this is just nasty.
This is disgusting. This is like one of the worst places, like... This is like one of the worst houses I've been in.
Yeah, this is
It's
wild.
full wallpaper, though.
Alright, I really want to go, but I always have to open the fridge, so for you guys, if this is the state of the house, I can only imagine what the fridge is like. Oh my god. Stir fry, baby. Hell yeah. Oh, I don't want to touch this. Yo, Yo, there's still ice in here. This is still on. I got the retro appliances with the wood grain on them. You know what I say? If I see a fridge, I gotta open it. Oh, we got lucky today. Nothing. Just reminded me something that I should have remembered. It's been too long. I've been away from YouTube.
Where do I stand?
We need to open it. Oh, this is gonna be so sick.
I gotta take a deep breath.
Hold your breath, for real. Okay. The milk.
Oh, is that water?
Water. I'll check
I'm
the
gonna
yogurt.
scream if any of that is still good.
2021.
Oh, just 2 years ago.
2 years old.
That's crazy. You want a pina colada ice cream bar?
Ew. The fact that it's still like cold and everything's just hanging out in there.
This place is giving me the creeps, to be honest.
Yeah, same. Oh my god. Stir fry, baby.